Well, there is a very interesting AI tool from Google called Career Dreamer. So if you're a student or professional, this AI tool is going to be very useful. So basically, this AI tool will ask or gather some information about your situation, your education, previous experience, jobs, etc. And all of that will be compiled and processed by AI, which I believe is using some sort of Gemini model. And then it will suggest a few career paths that you can explore in the future. And it is actually a lot more useful than just giving, asking AI randomly in ChatGPT or Gemini about the career paths that you can explore. I would say the interface is a lot better and it is a bit more guided than just blindly telling AI about yourself and then expecting that it can give you a more accurate information. So I highly recommend using this tool if you want to explore your future path. Now, I guess I'm going to just do a quick demonstration on how you can use this AI tool. First, you have to navigate to this page, and don't worry, I'm going to leave the link in the video description down below. But there is one thing that you need to know right now when I'm recording this video. This tool, Career Dreamer, is only available in the US, so you might want to use a VPN service if you're not from the country. Now after that, I'm going to click Get Started Now, and you can enter the current situation, whether you're a student or doing some sort of work. So I'll just click Start. Okay, I'm going to start new. And okay, there's going to be a question to start. Share your current or previous role. Let's say I'm working as a gaming retail clerk. Click next. Okay, the organization or industry, it's entertainment. Okay, next again. So again, I'm sure that it is using some sort of large language model behind the scene, but the interface is a bit more guided, and the answers or questions that are provided by AI are going to be very relevant based on your input. Now here, there is another question. Select all the tasks that you perform as a gaming retail clerk. Okay, this a bit too long. I guess I'm going to just click some of them randomly. It doesn't really matter. And I'm going to click next. So based on that answer, it will gather more information. It will process all of that and will ask you even more questions. Select at least 3 skills that apply to you. Okay, I guess in customer service and then inventory management and maybe product knowledge, point of sale. I think that makes sense. I guess, yeah, that's it. Click next. Well done. You have added an experience. Now, after that, it will generate a sort of career identity statement. I think this is a good start if you want to put it into your CV or portfolio. And also, you can add more information like your education and interest to refine the answer from AI. So let's say I want to add interest like maybe I like speedrunning video games. Speedrun, click next. And just wait a bit more. This will affect the career identity statement. So it is always a good idea to refine your information as detailed as possible. Okay, select up to 2 statements that apply to you. I want to master complex systems. I enjoy the pursuit of peak efficiency, and then click next. Okay, as you can see, the career identity statement is now being regenerated. So you can repeat the same process for other things like experience, skills, and education. But after that, when you are quite happy with the result, you can click Explore Path right here or here. It doesn't matter, it's still the same thing. And you will see this unique looking interface where you can see a cloud of words and you can navigate, hover around some options or job positions that might be related to your current skill, education, experience, and interest. Okay, this might take a bit more time, but trust me, it's actually much better than just using regular AI chatbot. Okay, so as you can see, there are many options that I could pursue based on my situation, which is I'm a gaming retail clerk. I could be a game quality assurance. I could be a personal shopper, video game designer, sales assistant, and inventory supply specialist. So yeah, it's all very much related to the current situation or the current job. Now, you can click on one of them and you will see some other information based on your location. It could be the salary, it could be, you know, what other skills that you might want to pursue after that. So yeah, it's very interesting, and you know, this tool should be available in pretty much all countries. I hope Google will release this tool for the general users, not just USA. And by the way, if you go back here, you can actually jump to Gemini, and this is very useful if you want to generate a cover letter, resume, or job ideas. So it is well integrated with Gemini, and of course, since this AI tool, it makes sense to combine that with the Gemini AI. So yeah, that's basically some overview about Career Dreamer and how you can use it. I hope you can use this tool as a way to find a relevant career opportunities for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.